Hi guys! Welcome back to Buona's Kitchen. Today, we will make lemon bars. If you love lemon desserts, this is a sure hit for you. Are you ready? Let's get baking! We will need 3 cups of plain flour divided into 2.5 cups for the crust and half cup for the filling, 3 cups of white sugar, 8 large eggs at room temperature, 3/4 cup of melted unsalted butter, 1 cup of fresh lemon juice, 2/3 cup of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of lemon zest, and half teaspoon of salt. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. Remove half cup of the plain flour and set it aside for the filling later. Add in the powdered sugar, and salt. Give it a mix. Then, add the melted butter. Mix them together until you form a dough. Transfer the dough into a 9 by 13 inches baking pan, greased and lined with parchment paper. Distribute it evenly. Flatten it using your hand or using the bottom of a half cup measuring cup. Then, bake this in a preheated oven of 175 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes or until it is light golden brown. While waiting, prepare the filling. In a food processor, add the white sugar, and lemon zest, and blitz it until it becomes light yellow. Then, add it into a bowl. Add in the remaining half cup of the plain flour. Give it a mix. Add the lemon juice. Whisk them together. Then, add the eggs. Mix them together until well combined. Now, pour it all over the warm crust. And bake this in a preheated oven of 150 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes or until the center is relatively set. After baking, let it completely cool at room temperature for 1 hour. Then, transfer it into the fridge to chill for 2 hours before slicing. After chilling in the fridge, peel off the parchment paper. Then, dust it with powdered sugar. Then, cut it into 24 portions. And here's our finished product! These lemon bars with shortbread crust taste heavenly and is bursting with luscious lemon flavor. And it smells so nice. Please don't forget to give me a like, and if you're not subscribed yet, smash the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and always remember, if life gives you lemons, make lemon bars. Bye!